Hi everyone, today we're gonna make tortilla in a bit different way. You're gonna love it. First I'm just gonna take 2 tomatoes from the garden. I think this one and this one will be perfect. Eccola. I think I'm gonna go with this one. First I'm gonna put tortilla on a pan on both sides for about 30 seconds. In the meantime we're gonna prepare everything. So we're gonna slice this tomato and we're gonna try to slice it on a nice slices, a bit this thin. Anyway, I'm gonna do it. I hope it will come nicely, but either way you will see the process and the idea. Now I'm gonna prepare 2 eggs. And we're gonna add some salt. You can add some pepper. I'm turning the tortilla. Okay, so we have our tortillas ready. I'm just adding a bit of dry basil in the eggs because I already have the dry one. It smells so good. We mix the eggs and we're ready. We're gonna first put just a bit of olive oil. And now we're gonna nicely put these potatoes on. Eccola. We're gonna leave it for about 1 minute. And now I'm gonna put our eggs on it. And we're gonna leave it like this, so the eggs will nicely cook on one side first. In the meantime, we can prepare 1 avocado. Eccola. We're gonna use this half, maybe about 30 seconds more. So the omelette is finished. I'm gonna put it like this. It came very nicely. We're gonna put this tortilla now on for a few seconds. I put it now on a plate. I'm just gonna add these slices of avocado. You can even add something else. You will love it. This is so delicious. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in another one. Have a lovely day. Enjoy. Ciao.